Cure my depression.
Fuck's sake, you little bitch! I thought she'd just sneak right by you, and then she's just like a free 60 degrees. Oh no, okay, never mind. She's part of a mission. No wonder she wants to speak to me. Space Arcade, they kicked me out and they're making my papa do something. Please try not to miss my papa. Well, sorry, your dad's dead.
Oof.
Hey, look, Pokeball.
Sorry, your dad's dead. Smiley
Let's
face.
do. Oh, that's wrong game. Alright then, let's battle for it. Come on, Shin Taker.
Never, because I'm never doing all doorbells. I mean, you can rival me at Storm over Springfield if you want. I'd do a run now if I had the splits, but I can't bother to make splits. Yeah.
What the fuck, why not? Just ask Spruce or Lambton for their splits.
Let me see, is it on the, like, they have splits on the page? I don't think they do.
Oh no.
Category extensions. Is it on category
Extensions.
Was it in modification? Yeah, it's in mods, isn't it? Modifications.
Am I old enough to drink coffee yet?
The Simpsons hit and run modifications.
I believe it's called the Simpsons Hit and Run.
Rune.
Modifications.
I'll modify your occasions. Way.
That sounds. If that was said to me by a gay man, it would probably be some sort of some sortly attractive.
I need a long ice.
Keck. Alright, well, looks like I'm gonna have to make my own splits. Bacon Man 12 beat the world record in The Simpsons Hit and Run No Mission Report PC. The new world record is 1 hour, 36 minutes, and 25 seconds.
Held it by a bacon meat.
Bacon Moon
Feels good
12.
to stretch my gams.
Yeah, I'll just tell us Spruce.
I ain't opening it unless you have a
Where is he? Spruce. Yo, Sprunts. Can I have your SOS splits plus thanks XOXOXO? I should probably not
Wait,
send
what?
it like that.
Wait, what?
Can
Okay.
I have your SOS splits?
Wait, how do I get in?
I'm lazy and can't be bothered to make my own.
Oh wait, I need to go to the flower patch. Yee.
I might play through the mod again just because I've forgotten most of it.
I hope this isn't stealing.
I'll play through it on stream.
Further back.
Guys aren't gonna like that. Ooh, polygons.
Paladins. Tico, I have a game suggestion for you.
Game suggestion for me?
Yes.
What is it?
Look in the game suggestions.
Raid Shadow Legend. Only if I get a sponsorship.
Oh. Clash of Clans. There you go.
I actually used to play Clash of Clans heavily.
I used to play fucking the card one. Like, what's it called? Clash Royale. I used to play that a fair bit.
You the Easter Bunny?
It's hurt by poison. Okay. Fuck it, let's bring out that. Oh, fuck, my Pipluck's a guy. I thought it was a girl.
Oh, I forgot my mission.
Not now, okay? I've been reading this here Hog Weekly. I like the special features.
Out of control! I need a disco nap. Stay out, it's Willie's time.